Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce Maggi. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 packets of Maggi noodles, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Also, have 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of grated cheese, and the Maggi masala sachets ready. Don't forget salt, pepper, chili flakes, and any vegetables you love, like colorful bell peppers. Next, let's get the Maggi noodles ready. Boil about 5 cups of water in a pan, then add your Maggi noodles and cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes. We want them about 80% done, so they don't get mushy. Drain the cooked noodles and set them aside. Now, for the sauce base, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a separate pan, then stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux. Now, let's build that delicious white sauce. Gradually pour in 2 cups of cold milk, whisking constantly to ensure a smooth, lump-free mixture. Continue cooking over a low flame until the sauce begins to thicken to your liking. Then, stir in 1 cup of grated cheese, the Maggi masala, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Let it simmer for a few seconds until the cheese melts and the sauce becomes wonderfully creamy. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your pre-cooked Maggi noodles directly into the creamy white sauce. Gently mix until every strand is beautifully coated with that rich, cheesy goodness. Serve your white sauce Maggi immediately while it's hot and wonderfully gooey. And for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade white sauce Maggi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.